Are you looking for the best slippers for women? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best slippers for women on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall slippers for women. The Olukai Kui slippers are a fantastic blend of comfort and style, well equipped to transition from cuddles on the couch to a casual outfit for a cafe. The full-grain leather upper and genuine sheepskin shearling lining look and feel luxurious, while a full fur collar insulates the slipper opening. Our lead tester said, "I loved how the silky puff of fleece lining hugged my toes. These are my first pick for all-day cozy self-care, but I found myself even wearing them out in mountain towns and to shops." We found the Kui lost little heat during our freezer test, noting the thick sterling linings retained interior heat well even after 5 minutes in sub-zero temperatures. The footbed also has a soft, felted liner, providing breathability. The result, the Kui slippers may be an investment, but they can serve you comfortably well over all 4 seasons, facilitating airflow even when temperatures rise. One notable feature of these slippers is their cushioned support and ergonomic shape that cradles the foot for all-day comfort. The modern traction on the soles provides excellent grip even when wet, making them suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're cuddled up in front of the fireplace or running outside to take out the trash, these slippers will surely keep your feet happy. Specifications. Type slip-on clog/mule. Interior material shearling wool. Upper material full-grain leather. Outsole material rubber. Midsole material EVA. Number 2. Best bang for the buck. The Home Top Curly Fur Loafer stands out for its lounging performance at a very reasonable price point. During testing, these loafers quickly became our go-to options to wear around the house. We love the breathable, cozy upper and the silky memory foam midsole. Our lead tester didn't hesitate to single these out as a favorite, saying, "I love how the thin rubber outsole offers just enough protection and traction to run outside to get the mail, but they don't make a peep when I am tiptoeing around the house trying not to wake others in the early morning." The polyester materials are machine washable, making them easy to clean after regular use, and we were pleased to see little sign of wear after multiple cycles through the washer. At just 4.4 ounces, you hardly notice these super light slippers on your foot. This also makes them easy to throw into a bag for travel. Specifications. Type loafer. Interior material polyester. Upper material polyester. Outsole material rubber. Midsole material memory foam. Number 3. Best construction quality. The LL Bean Wicked Good moccasins are traditional moccasins touted for their warmth, coziness, and durability. The shearling wool is plush, soft, and doesn't itch. We appreciate how easily they slip on and hug each foot as you move. The rubber non-slip outsole and memory foam midsole offer enough combined insulation, protection, and traction to comfortably walk across slippery outdoor pathways. The suede upper is surprisingly water-resistant, which enables you to walk through wet grass or shallow puddles without worry. But what impressed us the most was the construction quality of these moccasins. Even after more than a 5-mile walk, we saw minimal compaction to the midsole, and the outsole still looked new. Specifications. Type moccasin. Interior material shearling wool. Upper material suede. Outsole material rubber. Midsole material memory foam. Insulation, shearling wool type, moccasin.